Guys, look at my gumamela. See? Ito po yung isa o nag-open na. Ang ganda. Dito ba? Yan po ang aking libangan. Yellow. Look at the yellow. It's very nice. Pink. Ito po meron siyang konting red at saka yung petals niya po napakataas. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Meron po akong rose, pero hindi pa siya masyadong buhay. Tsaka yung bougainvillea. Ito rin po ay gumamela. Pero not really big the flower. Ito po yung pinakamalaki. Yan. And yan. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda ng aking garden. Look. This is my purple bluebell. Purple. Yung parang yellow bell siya pero maliit. Yan. Pero purple siya, guys. Very cute. Flower is my life. Okay. It's Pampa, my very cute doggy. Hi, Pammy. I love you. Hi. Hi, Hershey. Shishi. Shishi. Hershey. Don't come very near on my cam because can't see your face. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Actually, this is yung gabi-gabi. Oh, mayroon din ako. Gabi-gabi, gabi-gabi, hanggang doon. Pero na-cover na siya ng dara-dara na yellow. And ito po yellow ang ano niya. Para siyang tulip. Yung bulaklak. Pag namulaklak, yellow po siya. Yellow. And that is my malunggay. Malunggay. Meron po akong mga saging dito kasi tinanggal na namin dahil may mumu daw sabi ng Chinese. Pero tumutubo pa rin. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will put this into my okay guys, thank you, bye bye.